cool are these guys? Oh, cool. Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna go to Norway. So the reason why I'm here to traverse to Norway, I'm not sure if Kale's music plays in Jamaica, right? And if so, then probably I'm not sure of it. But if not, I'll be the first one to give the listening ears from Jamaica to, Kale Alessandro. Okay? So I'm just here to support, right? And the reason why I'm traversing to different various parts of the world, it's because I want to showcase how we Jamaicans can go to work and how we can, literally go on ahead and give ourselves the best towards you all. Okay? So I'm going to react to Kale Alessandro. This track is called Light, like literally a light. Okay? So one question. Do anyone who is watching this video knows of a person who is called Bob Marley? He's from Jamaica. And let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's all go to Norway together to experience what Kale can really do for us at this point. Peace.
Golden girl dressed in nice, a heart as dark as night. You got me to dim my light, no more. I really think about your lies. Did anything to keep you mine. You kept me hooked on your line, no more. Somewhere along the way I lost my mind. I had to walk 100,000 miles. I'm not afraid to set it on fire. I won't fall again. I'll be my own lighter. Nothing can burn me now. I'll be my own lighter. I feel this spark inside me. I don't need saving, no way, no way. 'Cause I'm my own lighter. Tired of a million tries to fight the signs. And when everybody tried to tell me, I should've known that it was time to break free. Your reins that kept me at your mercy.
Alright, alright, alright. Wow, wow, I gotta say, the people from Norway is outstanding. Like, I never encountered a Norwegian before. Guys, what are you guys' nationality? Is it Norwegian or just Norway? Because you all know. You all must have a nationality, right? But regardless, bro, like the dance moves are incredible. Outstanding moves, bro. And fun fact, when he sings, right, his voice echoed. His voice is amazing. Definitely.
I'll burn them to the ground. No more, ignite the fire. Somewhere along the way I lost my mind. I had to walk 100,000 miles. I'm not afraid to set it on fire. I won't fall again. I'll be my own lighter. Nothing can burn me now. I'll be my own lighter. I feel this spark inside me. I don't need saving, no way, no way. 'Cause I'm my own lighter.
How cool are these guys? How cool is K really is? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! No! No way! No way! These display are remarkable, bro. What a beautiful artist, man. This competition is very hard to comprehend, dog. Like, there's so much people that needs to be looking into. It's difficult to choose a winner because I've reacted to so much individuals from different variation of countries, and trust me, everyone displays such remarkable talent. But this one, bro, is different, man. Like, everyone is different, bro. I can't even comprehend, man. Wonderful, bro. Wonderful, Kale. Trust me, dog. You are incredible, man. With the dancers, with the fire flames in the back, raving up like that, bro. It's like an eruption of volcano, bro. Total devastation of good music, bro. Trust me, dog. Trust me. Trust me.
Silence fills the room, and I've taken off my shoes. I wish none of this was true, but there's a fire growing too. Nothing can burn me now. I'll be my own lighter. I feel this spark inside me. I don't need saving, no one. 'Cause I'm my own lighter. Nothing can burn me down. I'm my own light.
Yo. This guy sings like an angel, bro. Like, he's way too outstandingly good. Impressive. Very impressive. Impressive performance, impressive voice, impressive use of stage performance. Bro, he used up the entire stage, man. Like, he nailed this. He nailed it, bro. He nailed it. He, like, absolutely nailed it. Wow. The only problem I have with this song is that it done too quickly. That's the only problem. But everything else is just total badass, bro. Like, damn. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another reaction. So stay tuned.